I just opened this little JBL Go 3 speaker just now and tried it for the very first time, connected it to my phone. It took literally 2 seconds. I love how these new Bluetooth accessories really connect really easy to any accessory that we have already running. Now to talk about this little thing, this is, yes, a speaker that you would be able to bring on the go. I love that little hook right here. This is not a detachable hook. This is literally just like a threaded hook that you can attach, obviously, a carabiner to it, keys to it, even if you wanted to, but really just attach it to a bag or anything like that. It is extremely light. I was surprised at how light it was. It's got 3 buttons at the top, so you got the plus, the minus, and the play button. I'm going to show you a couple of the buttons right there so you can actually see. So those are the buttons right there that you see. That is the front. The bottom has a nice rugged kind of like feet. So really nice to kind of like plop it down like this. If you want to plop it down on its back, you can do so as well, because you do have that kind of quality of that back here, that kind of like ruggedness. And then on this side here, you can see the logo, the Go 3. You've got the power button and then the Bluetooth button. So we're going to power it on. And how you do that is literally just like that, power on. And I'm going to start the Bluetooth so it recognizes my phone. Very clean. So I'm going to stop it. So of course you can stop with the play pause button. It is extremely clean. It has a big range. So of course I like to listen to this kind of music with this kind of speaker at a mid range. If you're going to go really, really high and you want something that has more bass, obviously this is not your ticket. But for everything in and out of that kind of range where like you want to have some good quality sound, some good quality music, but you don't want to, at the cost of having something too big, you want to have something so portable that it's literally can be hidden anywhere. That's fantastic. And yes, once it's fully charged, it does come with the USB-C in the box right here. Once it's fully charged, it can play for 5 hours off of any Bluetooth phone, iPad, what have you. Very, very cool. Very instant play as well. The mids, fantastic. The highs are great. Again, the bass for that type of speaker, I think they're very fair, like more than fair. But everything else, the dynamic on it, very, very nice. And it plays really cool. I'm impressed. All over impressed. Really, really nice.